Today we're going to learn how to make pineapple coconut slushy using fresh success coconut milk and pineapple, and we put 1 banana in there as well. First off, you add a handful of pineapple, then add 14 ounces of the coconut milk, then do the powder, then mix it around. Then if you desire, you don't have to, you can add banana in there, and then I put ice in there as well. Mix it up and serve and enjoy.